Hello everyone. In this video I am going to telling you about modern 3D. So come to the point. Modern 3D metrology is turning into the eyes and ears of producing and bring several advantages to the industry. When it comes to design and manufacturing, measurements can make or break product. The practice of metrology ensure accurate measurements of every components of a product to ensure that all parts fit perfectly in the final assembly. The Metrologic Group develops 3D metrology devices and software for the automotive, aerospace, medical, consumer, and other industries. The company was founded in France in 1980s and it is now part of Sandvik. Its solutions and products measure objects with micrometric precision. Accurate measurements are essential in the production of items of all kinds. For example, if the dimensions of a car or airplane door are not measured accurately, the door may not close properly. For smaller items such as a knee implant, the measuring technique helps ensure that the curvatures of the implant is mathematically correct and dimensions are in the correct position. This means that he can sit comfortably on the spot, which is the key to quick recovery and full recovery of the patient. Digitization and the development of 3D metrology have brought many benefits to the traditional manual measuring process. For example, metrologic software allows user to create full 3D digital versions of any complex part. With the integration of 3D metrology into the manufacturing process, 3D metrology has become the eyes and ears of what is happening on the shop floor, says Bertrand Gilly, head of industrial metrology at Sandvik. By integrating metrology into the manufacturing process rather than doing it in the lab, companies can identify potential problems and fix them in advance and in real time. 3D measurement technology also provides a wealth of valuable data. This creates a digital twin that can be used to control the part in real time, allowing for early improvement of corrections. The data can also be stored for further analysis and provide traceability of all manufactured components. One of Sandvik's latest metrology solutions combines DW Field's flexible zero-touch metrology platform, also part of the Sandvik Group, with Metrology Group Metrology X4 software. The solution quickly collects point on complex featuring using a DW Field's laser machine and uses Metrology's 3D point cloud computation to perform all dimensional calculations and validate engineering intent. The zero-touch solution is much faster than any other system currently on the market, says Gilly. The new measurement solution reduced the test time by 10 times compared to conventional methods. Traditional measurements technology take lot of time. In one example, the operation can take up 30 minutes, but with this Sandvik solution it is done in just 30 seconds. Instead of transporting parts from the assembly line to the laboratory, you perform metrology on the shop floor as part of production process. They get the results a fraction of second later, and can immediately transfer the information to the production line, ensuring full interaction with the production process. Huge time savings also translate into reduced energy consumption and increased efficiency. The high accuracy of 3D measurements technology with the zero-touch solution also leads to significant reduction in reject rates. This is not the future of metrology, this is today. Kelly says integrated integration into the manufacturing process, whether it be matching, welding, stamping, or assembling parts, creates a lot of value both in terms of sustainability and cost. Thank you.